Good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Wednesday, October 22nd. We had two trades basically flat, pulled out 0.2 pips. We'll go over them in a minute. First, economic news came out. I believe it was CPI here in the States, pretty much in line. And then Canada had interest rate decision, which they didn't do anything. So we knew that was going to happen. Overnight, we had UK leaving interest rates at record low levels, which obviously everyone knew that was going to happen as well. So not a whole lot of action, although we were in a killer trade that we will go over. It's the second trade that we just overall we lost 7.4 pips on it. We should have really killed it, but I'm sure some of you guys did out there that got the signal. As far as the first trade here you're looking at is US dollar Japanese yen. We were long this 106.806 yesterday morning it was, and then yesterday afternoon we got out on the pop here on the move up, 106.882, picked up 7.6 pips. We were thinking it might top out in this area here, which it didn't. It just went right through it. That's why we got out where we got out, this area. And you can see there it ran over the figure of 107, so we definitely left 12 pips on the table easy there. And then a little pullback, and then this is the pop this morning. Huge pop here off of the economic news here in the States. We didn't trade anything here this morning. We knew the news was coming, so we didn't want to be in it long or short. Even if we got a signal, just weren't going to take the chance, because you could get a big pop like this. If you're wrong, you're going to get hit on it. The other thing is the spreads widen right before a news story, so when you're looking to scalp, it's very difficult. So didn't trade any other US dollar Japanese yen today. Second trade was Euro Canadian. We got a signal to go short this. The actual signal was 1.4257 area. We pieced in, as we do on swing, algorithm swing trades. Our piece in was, our average price was 1.42533. Now, when we piece in, we piece in by thirds. We don't risk as much on the second and third pieces as we do the first piece. It's part of our strategy. So the second piece, third piece, we got stopped out, losing around 20 pips each one. That's equivalent, to 6 to 7 pips on each one of those thirds. And then it finally broke down. And when it broke down, we actually picked up about 20 pips on that original third. We covered that at 1.42369, which again is equivalent to 6 to 7 pips. We just got out of that too quickly with that news that was coming out of Canada. We didn't think that news was so surprising with their interest rates, but apparently the market disagreed with us, and it pulled in hard. So overall, we lost 7.4 pips on this trade. So for the day, we were up 0.2 pips. This was the trade. If we would have held that last third and maybe cover down here by the figure, we'd be picking up another 36 pips. So we would have been picking up, say, 8 or 9 pips on that third, equivalent to 8 or 9 pips on that third. So net result, we would have been on this complete trade, would have been up, anywhere between 0.5 and 1.5 pips on top of the 7.6 from the first trade, which would have been nice. Would have been closer to 9 to 10 pips for the day. But unfortunately, that wasn't the case. So it is what it is. The two trades, 0.2 pips. But the opportunity was there. So if you had this signal and you got this trade, man, you had a great. I believe it even hit our profit target. So you had a total chance to get out. I mean, this thing traded all the way down to 141.60 area. So you could have crushed it. And who knows? I mean, this thing could very easily consolidate here and sell off again, later today, tonight, whatever. So your call if you're still in it. Anyway, so that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals go out, they'll be coming your way. And we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action. Have a great day.